Get louder!
Huh?
Held a knife to a woman's throat and was later charged with sodomy and assault with intent to commit rape. That's what you were charged with. Those charges got brought down, didn't they? Huh? From rape 1 down
Hey, look,
to
we got
sodomy?
masked men across the street.
Where's your cowbell?
Yeah.
Where's your cowbell?
Like to know what.
Where's your cowbell?
How about you denounce them, huh?
Hey guys, can you not be violent? How about that?
Good to see you, Nick. Good to see you.
Why are you so angry, Nick?
Because he's a fucking rapist. What are you talking about?
He took it down.
What's up? I ain't fucking scared of shit, right?
Wait. So he's this, he's that. Who cares? It's a free society. He can go through public wherever he wants to go.
So again, with the mask on, with that stuff, because you know what? I don't like fucking pigs.
Take it off. Jesus Christ, dude. That's fucking weak sauce. Hey, Steve, let's go. Steve, let's go.
Hey.
You put a knife to a woman's throat. That is what you did, right?
Do you have any paperwork on it? Do you have any paperwork on it? That's what I thought. Do you have any paperwork on it? Do you have any paperwork on it?
Yeah, I have proof.
Show me.
I don't got it on me.
Why don't you? No, I'm telling you, I've looked
He's
at
got
all
the
my
paperwork.
I want to see the proof. Show me. Look at it.
I can, you know what? Look online. It's all there.
There's no rape. Do you know that? Do you know that?
Do you even know what sodomy means? That means sticking something up somebody's ass, you asshole. Maybe you should do that. Maybe you should stick your own head up your
Legally,
ass
it means oral sex in many states in America, actually. The legal definition of sodomy means oral sex in many states in the country.
You, sir, assaulted somebody, put a knife to their throat with intent to commit rape. That is what you did.
Really? So you're psychic now.
And you know who else you need to denounce?
Hey, have you been
You know who else you need to denounce?
Have you been raped?
Who's that? I think he has been.
Have you been getting into
Don't touch.
You know, if you touch me again, you're gonna No.
Have you? Have you been going to his work?
What? Have I messed up your night? Why are y'all calling me?
Can you leave him alone? No, you back the fuck off. I'm not, man.
Mike, Mike.
You want a fucking problem too, bitch? There's gonna be some buffers. There's gonna be some space. Let's fucking go.
Chill the
There's gonna be some
fuck
space between
out.
you
Back
and
the fuck up. Stay back. No, hey, chill the fuck out.
Mike, get out of there. He's got pepper spray behind you.
Follow me.
there ain't gonna be any
Are
violence.
you scared?
No.
Are you scared?
Walk away.
Are you fucking scared?
Okay.
Are you scared? You're walking away, you fucking coward!
Face these people.
Look. No, you're not spraying us. Make sure there's no violence.
Hey, you know, if you want to make sure there's no violence, get them to walk the other way. Oh, Bob is angry because I called him out.
I'm not angry.
You know who else needs to be called out? Oh, God.